On today's episode, I'm going to show everyone how to plant tulips. Now, tulips are my absolute favorite flower, but I was born in Miami, Florida, and in those subtropical climates, you can't grow tulips down there. But now I'm located just outside Charlotte, North Carolina, and we can grow tulips here. On today's episode, I'll show you how to plant them, how to care for them, and how to get the most amazing blooms in the spring. So, join me for the ride. Growing tulips is relatively easy, but you do need three major things. Tulips need full sun, at least 6 to 8 hours of it. They also require well-drained soil, either in the ground, in a pot, or in a garden bed, and most importantly, they need cold weather to bloom. So with that in mind, let's get started. Along with the tulip bulbs, I'll be using bone meal fertilizer, which is used as phosphorus for the tulip plants. It helps with root development in the fall, and I use it every single time I plant tulips. Make sure to use the recommended amount of bone meal for every tulip bulb you plant. Make sure your tulip bulbs are pointy side up, as this is the way they need to be planted and how they'll grow. So a good rule of thumb is to plant tulips 6 to 8 inches deep. I always plant mine about 6 inches and always get good blooms. But if you live in colder climates or rodents are a problem, you might want to plant them deeper. If you have a lot of tulip bulbs, you can first place them in the ground and then cover them with 6 to 8 inches of soil, or you can do a trench like I did. Put your bulbs in and then cover it with soil. If you want that wow factor look of tulips, you need to follow these steps here. Otherwise, it'll be a simpler look like this picture here, planted sporadically and fewer of them. If squirrels and mice are a problem, apply chicken mesh wire over your bulbs until they begin to sprout. Remember, tulips don't grow everywhere. They do best in growing zones 3 to 7 and in some parts of 8. If you're unsure of your growing zone, I've linked this awesome website that uses your zip code to pinpoint your exact growing location. I've left it in the bio below. So tulips are really finicky when it comes to water. They don't want boggy, wet conditions and will quickly rot and die if they're in areas where there's poor drainage or a lot of standing water. So ensure wherever you plant them, there's good drainage. So you may be asking, when exactly do you plant the tulip bulbs? The short answer is 6 to 8 weeks before the first hard frost, or when nighttime temperatures have reached 40 to 50 degrees Fahrenheit. That means that in zones 3 to 5, it could be sometime in September, in zones 6 to 7, it could be October, or in zones 8, it could be November or December. Here's a fun fact: 90% of the world's tulip farms are located in the Netherlands, who also produce over 4 billion tulip bulbs annually. As we conclude this video, just remember one thing: it takes patience to grow tulips, so don't give up. And if at first you don't succeed, try until you get those tulips. But that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video on how to grow your own tulips. It's simple, it's fun, and it's so beautiful in the spring. If you like this video, please make sure to like and comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Have a great day.